Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn headline using A/B testing with Unbounce. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page. Locate the section where your current headline is displayed. Click on the pencil icon to edit your headline. Open a new tab and go to Unbounce website. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. Once logged in, create a new landing page. Choose a template that suits your purpose. In the landing page editor, locate the headline section. Input your first headline variation that you want to test. Make sure it clearly conveys your professional identity. Save this first version within Unbounce. Now, duplicate this landing page to create your second variation. Change the headline in the duplicated page to your second version. Ensure this version offers a different angle or focus compared to the first. Next, set up an A/B test for both landing pages within Unbounce. Define the percentage of traffic you want to allocate to each variation. Integrate your LinkedIn profile link as the URL for both landing pages. Publish the landing pages to make them live. Share the links with your target audience via social media or email. Monitor engagement metrics such as click-through rates and conversion. Record the results after sufficient traffic has been gathered. Determine which headline performed better based on the data collected. Once you have a clear winner, go back to your LinkedIn profile. Edit your headline again using the winning variation. Finalize the changes and save your updated headline. Monitor your LinkedIn profile for any changes in engagement after the update. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.